to the zoo. To, what is it called?
Cheyenne Mountain Zoo.
Cheyenne Mountain Zoo. We're going to the mountains to see animals.
Yep.
Animals that don't belong in the mountains?
Okay. Belong in Africa.
Okay.
In heat.
Well.
Look at the dog.
Oh, I'm like, where?
For every house is built by some man, but he that built all things is Elohim. Hebrews 3:4.
Ryan Little.
It's fine. I could have bought my Hey, money, watch out.
Hi! Hi! You feel so good. Okay,
Here. I
here.
don't want to feed it. Mari, you want to feed it? Give him a, you don't have to give him the whole thing. Cut it in half so you can make it longer. Is it on the camera? Yeah. Let me put him a little bit closer.
Mari, here.
Mari, feed it. Give it to him. Look, he's trying to get it. Whoa.
There's a little giraffe to feed.
Let Elias do it. Wait, hold on.
There's a baby giraffe.
He is confused. Elias' face is like, nah, bro. He's like, you want some horsehair?
Little guy, come here.
He wants some too, Imani. Look at his eyes. He's like, I'm. Hey, you want some too? He left. Give him some.
Okay, what are we doing over there? Are we doing him?
You don't want me to touch
Oh my God. Mara, you gotta give it to the, right here, the giraffe, huh? Here, you want some. He's still chewing. You want some for the baby? Yeah. Okay. He didn't get it.
Somebody ate your hand.
Oh, sorry. Huh, go ahead, give it to him, Mari. Go ahead. Give it to him. Stop playing with the giraffe, Big.
She had a long day. Wow.
Oh, they're so cats. Like, that's hilarious.
Right?
Say hi, Mari. Hi, Lion. Can I hear your roar?
Do it again. All right, first of all, I'm all for a good zoo. I'm all for some great animals, you know? I don't see giraffes in other zoos that I've been to. But why? Why did they build it on a freaking mountain? I've been going up hills since we got here. Look at this one. Like, it gets steeper and steeper. They're like literally
Little baby. They're called wallabies.
That's what that is. A wallaby. They look scared of us.
Oh my God, Imani, hurry.
What is it? Where? Oh my! Oh my! Ah!
Is it? No, his tail's wagging.
Eyes look closed. Ooh.
Tigers are.
Oh.
We see you.
Wow.
Get a good picture. It's I'll turn my head for you. Yeah, you see it, I
The glare from this
do? I
thing.
know.
Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my.
They are doing a skyline.
So if I'm correct, this is the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo or Cheyenne Zoo, something. Colorado Springs. It's really cute. Just know you're gonna be doing a lot of walking and a lot of walking uphill. Okay, uphill walking. My arm hurt. My back hurt. My booty shaking from left to the. Okay, anyways. Look at August in the background. Hey, August. Hey, Gio, having fun?
Where you want to brush them?
Well, it's cute. It's very, these are, how do I word this? There's a lot of animals that I don't normally see at other zoos here. Like giraffe and rhinos and lynx and, you know, you see lions. But it's just really a lot. It's a good selection of animals. It's really cool. It's cute. Bring your kids, bring your girlfriends, bring your boyfriends, bring your baby mamas, your baby daddies, the girl you sleeping with, your friend, your next door neighbor. Bring everyone. Okay? We're here. You see that, Eli? That's where we're at.
Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Hebrews 11:1.
See you down there, Mari.
You see, Tati. Come on.
Bless you. Yeah, okay. And then there's us. It's always me and you, baby. It's really dry up here, though. Yeah. I feel like I blend in with the rocks. Why? The way the color of the camera is.
Jump out.
Eli, are you going to remember this when you're older? No.
I'm ready to remember it now.
The wasp! It's a wasp!
Babe, it's on your head. It's on your head. Is it okay?
No, it's behind you.
Rosemary. Where'd it go?
That way. All right, Eli, tell them how this is. How does this feel to you? It feels dry.
Do you want to climb a little bit more over there?
What's that way?
Just go to
Oh, yeah. And it'll take us back to where we kind of came from now. Is it good? Is it good? Tell me, is it good? Eli, Mommy brought you places you ain't never gonna remember. They know what they're doing. They know why they put the flights free under too. Huh?
I think why people get